Dear students, in the previous videos, we learnt how to change the sentences of active voice which are in simple present, simple past, past and past continuous, and present and past perfect into passive voice. In this video, we are going to learn where to use be form. Before that, we have to remember one thing. Present, past and future perfect continuous tenses cannot be changed into passive voice. Besides this, future continuous also cannot be changed into passive voice. Now our topic is be. Where to use be? Be is used after modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries such as will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, must, ought to, has to, have to, had to, is to, was to, am to, are to, were to, and to plus verb. Let us use a few of these auxiliaries in the active voices and we change them into passive voice. Let us examine the first sentence. We shall buy a new car. Here the subject is we and the object is a new car. As I said earlier, subject becomes object, object becomes subject. Here the object is a new car. A new car will. What is to be used to change into passive voice? Be. Be is to be used. That what we are using here. A new car will be buy. It will be changed into third form, that is called past participle. Bought. A new car will be bought by us. Okay, then second sentence let us examine. I must complete this lesson. Here subject is I. Object is this lesson. This lesson becomes subject now. This lesson must be third form completed. Must be completed by me. I becomes me. In the third sentence, she has to complete the project. Here subject is she and the project is object. Now the object becomes subject. The project, since it is singular, we have to use has. Suppose if this object is plural, when it becomes a subject, if it is plural, in place of have, has, we have to use have. Now it is singular, therefore you can use has. The project has to be completed by her. Next, we ought to love our country. We is subject, our country is object. Now the object becomes subject. Our country ought to be loved by us. Fifth sentence. It is time to close the shops. To close, I told to plus verb. It is time to close the shops. Now object is shops, the shops. Though here shop is object, but you have to begin the sentence. It is time for the shops to be closed. It is time for the shops to be closed.